Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing well. So today I have some goodies to share with you. First of all, I do have an unboxing of the Murakami collection, one of the pieces of the 3 that I ordered around January 12th. If you recall, it said their pending validation and estimated date is March. But actually one of them did come through a couple days ago, was one of the SLGs. So I'll show you that momentarily. I did order items in white and black, so we'll have to see. I'll surprise you and see which one I got. But first of all, I had an organizer company reach out to me, and I was really excited about them because they have the silky satin versions. I was never like a huge fan of the felt. I don't like putting my SLGs in there. It's just kind of like too rough, I feel like. I mean, it's okay, but I've always wondered, why don't they just do something, like a silky satin version, right? So anyway, they reached out to me and asked if I could pick out an organizer, try it out, and if I like it, let you guys know about it. So let's go ahead and see it. I haven't actually opened it yet, but from the packaging, it's gorgeous. So the company is called Kings in Bag, and I picked the Neverfull MM in the pink because both my Neverfulls have pink interiors. And I thought if I get the MM, I can have a 2-for-1 because I can use it in my GM as well. So I have both of them out here and we'll see. And, but you can see it's just like, even the ribbon has their name on it. And it was just really cute, really nicely packaged. Love the color. So let's open it up. Oh, the color is so pretty. And it is really nice and silky feeling. Love that. Okay. And it has a nice insert to keep its shape. That's really cool. How nice is that? That's really cool they did that. Well, this looks really nice inside. So it's got pockets. It's got 2 bigger pockets on this side, and then 3 a little bit smaller but still large size pockets on this side. Let me see if my phone, I have a phone. Let me try and see if it would fit. Okay, so let's try it in the smallest one. Oh yeah, it fits totally fine. So that's the Pro Max size. So you can see these pockets are going to be, they can fit everything. That's great. And let's go ahead and try. It's just gorgeous, actually. I'm just looking at it. It's just really a pretty, well done, pretty item. Okay, so if you recall, this one here, this is my one and only Neverfull MM size. This is my very first bag I got back in 2013. Very first LV item I ever purchased, which created the monster of me that is today, the LV craze. And so remember this beautiful interior. I just had this repaired not too long ago, if you recall. But let's go ahead and just stick this in here and see how it fits. Wow, perfect. Yeah, it's really nice. Wow. There you go. How cute is that? I love it. It's so nice. I just love that it's the silky feel. So that's the size in the MM. And it also can be a nice insert just to keep the shape of the bag, as we know. But yeah, how nice. Okay. And this is my GM, my one and only Neverfull GM. And I got a repair on this, if you recall. And also, I have a repair on the pouch. And I wasn't even going to tell you about it, but I have it here. So I'll show it to you while we're involved in all this. But let me go ahead and take this stuff out. It has the pink interior, and so it's going to match this really pretty. And there's the insert for that as well. There. So fits really nice as well. I mean, obviously there's other room to put other things, but still I like this option, to just have it if I want to have it to use them both ways, especially if I cinch this up. I want to be able to, it's better to have the MM size in here if you're going to have it cinched too. If you want to wear, you don't want to wear it like traveling, but just like regular. So yeah, because like the GM would be too big, I think, if you were going to cinch it. But anyway, there's that. So yeah, this is really nice of them. Okay, so this is going to be kind of tie in with a funny story as far as like, I wasn't going to show you my repair, but it is kind of funny. They put it in this bag, which was nice because it was around the holidays that I got the repair back. And I wanted to get the fun bag, you know, the Christmas one, and I wasn't buying anything yet. I was waiting for the Murakami collection. So they ended up giving me this bag. So that was cool. And they even like wrapped it up in a box and everything, which is so nice. So if you recall, I did a video on my personalization collection, you know, with everything with initials and world tour and all that. And I was taking some things out and I was showing my Neverfull pouch, and I realized the glazing was all sticky. And so I went ahead and they went ahead and repaired it for free. And I just wanted to make a note of it, you guys. If you want to check your items, the 2013 through 15 was pretty much the glazing issue era. So they'll reglaze things if they notice things are sticky. But I'll go ahead and just open this up for you. And again, it's not super exciting, but you know, I just want to show you the repair because I like looking at people's repairs as well. So they gave me a new dust bag. They told me to take off the vachetta handle that it comes with, that, you know, you attach to your item, and the glazing doesn't affect the vachetta, so it didn't affect the Neverfull as far as, you know, the handles and everything was fine. It was just the actual pouch that had the issue. They said the vachetta seems to be fine for some reason. So anyway, so yeah, so they went ahead and just reglazed this whole thing, which I'm sure wasn't a major problem for them, but yeah, so that was really nice. So thanks LV for that complimentary repair, always appreciative. Okay, and then I do have an issue with my unboxing from last week. You know, when I got the beautiful Murakami belt. So I didn't get into the whole story, but I wear a size 85 belt. Anyways, this came in either 80, 85, or 90. And she, of course, had the 80 and the 90, but no 85. She had the 85 in the white. So I said, well, I don't know, what do we do? Because I don't know if any more are coming out. And she's like, try the 90, you know, and I said, yeah, it's got all the holes, the adjustments, maybe I can make it work. But when I tried it on after, you know, yeah, even the smallest hole, it was still too big. So, you know, it's just too expensive of an item just to be like, whatever, you know. So I was able to find this at Orange County, South Coast Plaza had it. But if you call in online and say, oh, can you have them contact me? They won't do it. I don't know. They have this thing where you have to be in person or whatever. They're not even going to bother to call the store for a line like this, the popular one. So I went through my phone. I had 4 random OC essays down there, and I texted 2 of them the first day and no one responded. And then I found 2 more randoms in my phone and I texted them and one did respond. And so she sent out the 85, it fits great. And so I decided to let you guys know because I'm going to be returning this to the Rodeo Drive store, and they sent me a return label. And so I'm going to be sending this out over this weekend when this video comes out. It'll take a day or so to get there, but I wanted to let you guys know in case you're interested in this. You can DM me on Instagram, and then if you want to get it, and make sure it's a for sure situation that you really do want it. I don't want to put my essay, you know, involved if it's going to be like an iffy thing. So just make sure you really want it, and I will figure it out. You know, I'll have her contact you, and I'm sure she'll be happy to mail it out to you, to whoever wants it. So I just thought I'd do that. I mean, I definitely would never put this on the resale market and charge double or something. I think that's horrible, ridiculous, and no. So I'm going to be sending this back, and let me know if you're interested. Okay, everybody, so now it's time for the unboxing of one of my 3 items. It came like this. We're back to the holiday packaging. That was nice, though. I mean, obviously, Rodeo Drive must be completely out of the Murakami stuff, and they're still like, oh, let's send her something special anyway, you know, not just the regular ribbons. So I appreciate that. And I do really appreciate it because for the holiday, like I said, I got the sack or the holiday bag with the repair. And now I have the little tag that goes with it. So that's fun. So that's cool. All right. So they did include a bag in the packaging. So they do still have the bags. They just don't have any more of the actual wrapping, I guess. First of all, I wanted to get the one item I was going to get, if I was just going to get one item, was going to be the Romy car case. I thought that was super cute. Love, love, love it. Of course, I wanted to get it in the hot pink and all that. the day of when it was on the website, it had all the pictures because it just had the front before. And I was super disappointed that the back is just solid pink or whatever color you pick. And I'm thinking, okay, I'm buying something from the Multicolor collection. So, you know, give me some multicolor. And so I just couldn't justify paying that just for like a little strip of multicolor. I have a couple pieces out here, some eye candy from the original collection. I mean, here's their card case. And, you know, it's all over multicolor with just a hint of that beautiful pink, you know, color there. I mean, you know, I want a multicolor piece. So yeah, I was disappointed. So I decided not to get the Rome, even though I still think it's cute, but just because, you know, like the principle of the thing, I want the multicolor piece. Okay, let's go ahead. And it's already unboxed, and it has this kind of cool little thing here too. I already unboxed it to check it out, but you probably kind of will know what it is based on being in this kind of box. And it came in the dust bag, and I got the Emily notebook, and I was like really blown away when I opened it because it's way bigger than I thought it was going to be. It's really gorgeous. It's fun. I brought out my Color Mania passport holder so you can see the difference in size. I mean, it's quite different. Look at that. So is it like a quarter of it? Yeah, like a third. And then I loved the interior because in the passport holder, it was all pink for the white multicolor. But I love how they like did this. How fun is that? They've actually put the interior with multicolor too. And then the gorgeous hot pink with, you know, the little logos and all that fun stuff there. So, I mean, I really like that. So it sold me, you know. But yeah, so that's what I got. And just FYI, I brought out my other piece that you all know I love and adore. This one. So here is the Agenda GM in the white multicolor. Still looking beautiful. And then you can see it's quite large. It's like almost the same height. And then like there. So you can see the size is really close. So yeah, so I'm excited about this. And yeah, so there it is. Hopefully I'll get my other two soon as they trickle through. Again, let me know if you want the belt. I'll be mailing that out on Monday. So this will upload on Saturday. I'll mail it out on Monday. It'll just be first come, first serve, you know, that kind of thing. So, all right, that'll do it. I hope all is well. And until next time, bye.